Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge multiple PIN numbers. Let's say, for example, we have registered a patient multiple times, which lead to the duplicates in the system. So in this case, we can merge all the PIN numbers together and retain a single PIN, which will avoid confusions. So to do this, go to the patient and PIN merge. Select the patient's PIN numbers that you want to merge. So before doing this, please make sure you select the correct PIN numbers and retain the correct one. So because once you have done this, you will not be able to revert it back. I have selected three patients and let me retain the first one and finally click on PIN merge. So now the selected patients have been merged. You can also see the merged history in the patient register screen. So let me show you that now. So you will be having a separate tab called merge history where you will be able to see all the merge history of this patient. And thanks for watching. Bye.